In today's video, I'm going to show you Shoom AI review. I tested Shoom AI, here's what happened. Shoom AI is a mobile AI music generation app that promises to turn your lyrics or prompts into AI generated songs with vocals and backing tracks, an idea that sounds cool if you want to make music without technical skills. Some users do enjoy generating creative tracks, explore musical ideas, or share AI made songs with friends, and the concept can unlock musical creativity for beginners. However, real world user feedback here in Just Use app paints a mixed and often disappointing picture. A large number of users report that you can't generate anything without paying first, and the subscription model is pushed very hard. You often need to pay just to try basic features that weren't clear on download. Many complaints describe subscription charges without clear upfront pricing. Limited monthly credits, for example, to 10 songs per week, bugs that waste credits, and errors where attempted song generations simply fail even after spending credits. Other reviewers say the generated music quality varies widely and often doesn't match the prompt's genre, voice, or style choices, and downloading or managing outputs can be frustrating. There are positive reviews too, with some users praising Shoom's ability to create songs from text or basic ideas, but these tend to be a minority compared to the many complaints of buggy performance and poor customer support when problems arise. Safety analyses give it mixed legitimacy scores, suggesting the app itself isn't a malware scam, but its business model and performance are problematic. Bottom line, Shoom AI is not a scam in the sense of being malicious or non existent, but it's also not a polished or reliably useful music creation tool for most people. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.